Emma? Bear? You can't have bear. Can't have bear, Baba. Daddy gotta work. Daddy gotta work. Come on. Up.
No.
And stay there.
Mommy.
What's up, 30? What's happening, my guy? 30. What's up, Mick? Mikkel? What's up, Mikkel? Bro, I need help on gold. How'd you need help, my guy? What do you need help with? I need a haircut. Bad. What do you need help with, my dude? Say when. Stable. Doggy with dancing feet. What's happening? What's happening? I'm using ICT and now I'm stuck. I don't use ICT, bro, so I can't help you with that. I can't help you with that analysis. I trade price action, breakouts of key levels. I would say, you know, you can look for potential buys above here. 2400.725. With a 5-minute closure above this level. Sorry in advance for my bro. A little bit of clickbait, I said buys above, bro. Buys above. Buys above 2400.725. That's what I would look at. That's what I would look at, my guy. To be honest, if you take a look, take a look at the 1H time frame right now. There's only one clear direction that price is moving. What's up, Sashi? Happy Friday, my guy. There's only one direction that gold is moving right now, and that is bullish. My strategy is breakouts, price action, breakout. So, you know, we're looking for the price action. We're looking for certain candles, candle patterns, and then we're looking for key levels. For example, this one, right? These levels down here. We're looking for key levels to trade a breakout. Say she. And I'm with the flow. Let's rob gold today. You think so? You want to rob gold? And I'm the kid with the flow. I'm just posting the stream on Instagram, and then we'll be good, my boys. My boys. Man, I'm tired today, man. I'm tired. Like, I was contemplating not streaming. I was contemplating not streaming, man. What's up, Squizzy? What's happening, bro? What's happening, bro? Chilling, 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 chilling. We big chilling. Return of the Mac. Once again. Bro, that song came on today. And I haven't heard that song in ages, bro. You know when you don't hear a song in so long, and it's a banger and it just hits. Watching the footy? Which footy? Which footy? Who's playing? Any trades today? Yeah, I took some trades. I took some trades today. Ended up with a $490 loss. Even though I was risking like 1.3k on the trade, but ended up only losing 490. So that's a W. That's a W in my eyes. ZTE Grupo. Appreciate the follow on TikTok, my guy. Welcome to the TikTok game. So yeah, happy with how that turned out. Return of the Mac. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like I said, I was risking like, yeah, I think it was 1.3k on the trade. Price came down, came close to my stops. And then, yeah, wigged back up. And it was pretty much at break even. It actually hit break even. And then I was looking at it, the hourly candle was about to close. So I could have got out of break even, but I was going to see if it would have given a little push to get even a little bit of profit. But then it started to reject again and come back down. So it was like 11, what was it, 12 pips? 12 pips. Yes, nah. What's up, Lord? Lordy, Lordy. Lordy, Lordy. But yeah, members are just killing it right now. Members are just trading better than me right now. Am I in a trade today? I took a trade earlier, JK, and lost 12 pips, about $490. Whoa, come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, lost about 490. Market analysis. A breakout of bullish flag, so I enter. Nice. Looking for long since it's bullish day. Looking for long since it's bullish day, says Soho. Bullish today, boys. But yeah, I think it can. I believe it can continue bullish. Obviously, price is in a range now. You can see we're going sideways a little bit. But I think above here, in this range, we can get some nice buys. Wow, you know, you can see a nice bullish move. I'm done for the day. I've took my trades, had a small loss. I'm not going to risk anymore. Jake, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Welcome, Jake. Jakey. The boy Jake. Welcome, the boy Jake. Oh shit! Didn't want it to be that big. Jesus. Yeah, those are my trades today, guys. So I had an entry on the 5 minute, which was the first one you see. The 2.5. And then I had the entry on the 1 hour, which was the buy one. So yeah, I tried a couple of entries, one on the 5 minute, one on the 1 hour. But yeah, it just I didn't want to push. Didn't want to push. You out of here, Sashi? Let's go, bro. Appreciate you stopping in. Appreciate you stopping in, bro. As always, the boy Sashi. Hi, can you share which time frame you look for breakout? I do the analysis on the weekly, daily, 4 hour, and I look for the entries on the 1 hour or the 5 minute user. See a sun floating, real nice. Before the forecast last week. So this week I'm up about 90 pips. I've had 2 wins, 1 break even and a loss for a total profit of 1.942k. Looks like I'm ending off this week, a couple grand profit. Not bad. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. Another version of me, I'll admit it. What's up, Nimbus? You scalp? Yeah, I scalp. Tanu effects. I scallop. Scallop. How about yourself, my guy? Nimbus. Samir, should I buy it, sell, or sell? You can do whatever you want, my brother. Should we buy Nazi? You can do whatever you want, man. Still studying, blown some accounts. How long have you been trading for? Gold has had some. So why am I live? Because I can and because I want to. Bro, Samir thinks I go live to give people trades. You talk like the IT guy on Twitter. Bro, he talks like me. Any trades there? Yeah, I've had some trades earlier tucking. So I had a loss on gold. 12 pips. $490 loss. $490 loss. Another version of me, I'll admit it. Whoa, 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 whoa. How long have you been trading for, Tanui? Alright, so I just bought? No, I didn't. I'm just showing my results down here. Five months now. At least you're honest. Some traders don't show the negative side. I mean, yeah, I'll show all my trades, wins or losses. So the first one is today's trades, and then the one underneath it is my trades for this week. So you can see my losses, a $56 loss and a $433 loss, and then my wins 1.3k and 1.1k. So total profit for the week of $1,941.60. Yo, Rudy, Bill, Bar, Addy, thank you guys for the follows, man. Cubic? What's cubic? Another version of me, I'll admit it. Samia, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not a signals channel, but you know. TikTok, can you see that? Is that clear or is it not clear? Oh, it's clear? Okay. It looks really small on my screen. You can see? Okay, good. It looks like on my computer when I'm putting it on, it literally looks like this big. Like I can't even make out what the writing says. So as long as you guys can see it, that's good. GD, thank you for the follow. Edwin, thank you for the follow. Bones, thank you for the follow. No trade for you yet, Tony. Yeah, you said you was going to take the day off, yeah? What's your leverage when you trade, if you don't mind? 1 to 500. How long did you hold buy for scalping? Today? Are you talking about today's trades? Yo, John Mack, Tuck, Fnan, thank you for the guys. Thank you guys for the follows. Appreciate you. So today I was in the trade. Let me see. Today I was in the trade about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 or 20 minutes. Yeah, so TikTok, that's my results this week. That's all the trades I've taken this week. They're also all journaled here in my trading journal, which you'll be able to match exactly. If I add all the trades together this week on my journal, it comes to 1,942. And as you can see in there, it says $1,941.60. So just so you know, I'm not bullshitting you guys. Wow, you are a big risk taker. Samir, what did Samir say? Should we place Sal? Yo guys, thank you for all the follows, man. You guys are going crazy. Yeah, I don't know why he was tagging you, Samir. I didn't. He said you're a big risk taker, but I didn't see the message that you said. Forex Mastering, Kim, Saruda, Zulhelmi, Sister, Mooks. Thank you guys for the follows. I've already traded today, my guy. I took sales. I took buys pre-London and ended up losing around about 12 pips, $490 loss. Trade sold memcoin, short stock, better return. Bad boy, thank you for the follow. Forex Addict, thank you for the follow. Shit, follows coming in. Follows coming in. TikTok's going up again, boys. Silver Surfer, may I ask for the profit you got, what kind of size you usually go in for each trade, and usually how many positions do you place? So Silver Surfer, if you're still in here, sorry bro, I missed your question, but usually you know, I'll just risk a percentage of my account, so whatever size lot that is based on the stop loss. But usually I'll go for a 5 lot, 2.5 lot, potentially depend if the stop loss is big. How many positions do you play? So usually what will happen is first of all I'll look for an entry on the 5 minute. If the 5 minute doesn't give me an entry, then I'll go on to the 1 hour and I'll look for an entry up the 1 hour, because sometimes the 5 minute kind of consolidates and messes around a little bit, you know, around my key levels. So if I can't get a clean break above a key level on the 5 minute, then I'll go up to the 1 hour and I'll look for a clean break on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm tired, bro. Being dedicated to gym again and waking up for London, then work. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, you must be tired as hell. That gym feeling when you first get back into the gym after being a while out, and your muscles are just, you wake up in the morning, your muscles are just aching. You're just like, ah. I just got my position in demo account. You just cut off your position. Which position? Forex Mastering. Was you in buys or sells? Shakespeare, Ghost, Res AU, thank you guys for the follows. Mero, you was in a buy? Sign the contract, big boy. Follow the live creator. Sign the contract, big boy. Sign the contract. Thank you. No worries. So don't. You got $1 profit. Let's go. Two of my trades hit TP, but I didn't get in this trade. So they would have hit TP. Yo, Ted. Sorry, Tio. Thank you for the rose, my guy. Appreciate you. Thank you for the rose. Very kind of you. Very kind of you, man. What's the game plan? I think I've already took my trades for the day. I had a losing trade today, so I'm not going to be jumping in the market again. But I believe gold can continue bullish above 2400725, this level right here. I think there's a good chance if we break above here, there's a good chance that price is going to continue bullish. If you get a closure, you need a closure above on 5 minute or the 1 hour. Let's see. Jim, thank you for the follow. Oh, there'll definitely be people shorting the market right now, Tanui. For sure. What broker do I use? FP Markets. Sard, Mission Man, thank you guys for the follows. You might get in soon. What? Get in what? You're gonna get in sales or buys? Al Pacino. Sal? Tristan said Sal. Theomon, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Yo, Samir, that's what I'm thinking as well, bro. Everybody open a 5-10 lot right now. Buys, and we'll move the market ourselves. We got 125 people in here right now and 12 people in the YouTube channel. So if everyone just opens a buy right now, gold is gonna fly. Yeah, I'll move the TikTok chat over here so you guys can see. Oh no, I'll be covering. You know what? I can't put it on here today because of the end of week profits. But the TikTok is going wild. Can you explain what a funded account is? So basically, a funded account is you have to pass. They're a company that offers you funds, right? But first of all, you have to pass an evaluation, and you have to reach a certain profit target without breaking any of the rules, like breaching your stop loss, your daily loss, and things like that. So if you pass the challenge, if you pass the evaluation, you get a funded account that you get a cut on, and you can take profits out of, basically. Would I use funded accounts? Maybe one day. I haven't used one yet. I was going to for some YouTube content, like you know, passing a funded account and stuff. But the company I was going to go with, literally, we was looking at it on stream with a few people, and the company that I was about to buy an account with, funded account, got shut down like a couple days later. It was funded, I can't remember what they were called, TFF or something like that, or I don't know. But they got shut down, and I was like, yeah, you know what? Maybe I won't do this. This is dodgy. Boy was Berry, Stephen, Allergen, Not Found, Thomas, Ian, Bakri, Taru, Pakin, Trav. Thank you guys for the Travion. Thank you guys for the follows. I'm sorry I'm bad at pronouncing names. I'll try my best. So Nimbus, what happened today, bro? Talk me through it. You caught some more trades, yeah? How do you do it, bro? Legit. How do you catch these trades all the time? I mean, I know how, but time frame. This is 5 minute. Am I in a buy right now? No, I went to take buys earlier, but they didn't work out. I ended up a losing trade of 12 pips for $490. $400. Yeah, but what time frames do you use it with, Nimbus? Any time frame. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I do as well. That's what I like to use it on the 4 hour. The 2 hours really good as well. You guys in buys? Nah, I was in buys earlier. Didn't work out. Ended up losing 12 pips, $490. But I believe if gold does break this level, I think it can continue bullish here for sure. No name Ahmed, Sees Sentia, Giuseppe. Thank you guys for the follows. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, send some stuff on Discord, Nimbus. In the or you can just send it to me privately. It's up to you. But buy now. Now should go sell. What's everyone thinking on gold in the chat? Who's thinking buy? Who's thinking sell? What's up, Seal? I can feel it. What's up, Thomas? What's up, man? The candle is go up. I sold already. Damn, Jan is in a sell. I'm in sell buy because the candle is taking the FEG. Yo, appreciate that, Mr. Raximov. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I think if we can get a breakout here on the 5 minute above 2400725, I think there's potential for gold to continue bullish. But of course, price is creating a resistance in this level right now. So one second, guys, just saying good night to my daughter. Sorry, guys. Let's have a look. Yeah, sorry, guys. I was just saying good night to my daughter there. This is gonna go down. Look, there's no breakout. I mean, yeah, this is only the 5 minute time frame. So you sent it to my Telegram. Do you mind if I get it up on the stream or what? Cody's thingy. All right, so this is Nimbus. This was Nimbus trade today using obviously his strategy as well as the indicator. So you can see a couple of buy signals in here on the 30-minute time frame. So Nimbus, do you still use like the teachings in the from like the 4-hour candles? Do you still go based on that? You send out signals? No, I don't send out signals. See you later, free Palestina. Okay, so you go based on the high time frames, like for example the 4-hour, you'll see that price is bullish, and then you will look for the buy signals from the indicator. Benny, appreciate the follow. Chitties, the sub's not that much. It's 399. What am I waiting for? I was waiting potential breaks above this level, but price is rejecting it again now. A couple of rejections in here. Jackie and Co. Ale Enzo, appreciate the follows. Hello, Ronaldo fans. Is there any more Ronaldo fans in the chat? Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo or Messi? Do you trade smart money concepts? No, I don't, my bro. I trade price act. I mean, most trading strategies are based off price action. So, you could probably say, yeah, you're right. I do trade money, smart money concepts, but I don't. I just trade price action, higher time frame analysis, candles, key levels, right? And I look for breakouts based on the momentum from the higher time frames, and based on a certain trading session and a certain 4-hour candle. Aegis Soul, Aria, Miss E, Hamden, thank you guys for the follows. Appreciate you. Sue. Ronaldo or Messi, mine's Cody. Mainly 4-hour. Okay, so you go based on the 4-hour candles. So do you use that? Do you use the 4-hour, the pre-run and 4-hour candle Nimbus, and then during that next 4-hour candle, you look for those bullish signals? Do you always just use the 30-minute time frame as well? Oh, you're going anytime. Okay. I bought it yesterday and it's still going up. Let's go. Let's go, Palestina. Let's go, bro. Can people say where they are trading from? What country? Tanui, I'm in Melbourne as well. Tanui asked where everybody in the chat is trading from. Nobody, Mega, done. Appreciate the follows. Gold ruined me this week. Did it, Wrench? What happened, bro? Now, what country, Palestina? What country? Netherlands, South Africa, straight from Somalia. Let's go. UK, Thailand, Ghana. 64k down. What? On your demo account or what, Rich? India, Israel, Germany. I'm from Uzbekistan. Yo, I think you're the first person from Uzbekistan in here, man. Borneo, Malaysia, Singapore, Malaysia. Oh, a lot of people from Malaysia in here. Your funded account, 64k down on your funded account. Which what account size is it? Indonesia, Morocco. Sue Satoshi, thank you for the follow. A lot of country comes here. I know a lot of different people, countries in here. It's crazy. We're global. Yeah, 60k down. So what account? What account size is that? 250k account. How much did you pay for that, bro? If you don't mind me asking, how much does a 250k account go for? Jody, thank you for the follow. Waiting for buyers, potentially. I've already took my trades for today, so it cost you 4k, Wrench. Sheesh, bro. So how close are you to your loss? Like how much are you allowed to lose on a day or overall? You bought a 200k account for £1,000. You lost it? What? You've actually lost the account? You blew it? La Benny, thank you for the follow. 56 layers, thank you for the follow. The States. Tony, I think you're the only person who said the United States, actually. 4k AUD. Bro. That's tough, man. I'm not going to lie. That is tough. We go again. Right, you got another 4k to spend on another account or what? You must be loaded, bro. I closed my gold trade, made 8k profit. Let's go. What's up, JJ? That's not possible. You can only lose 10% at most on a funded account. Yeah, I have no idea how about funded accounts. So maybe he lost 64k, but you know he already hit his daily loss. So maybe that was the total he lost, but you know the 10% was like before that probably. So you try to short it. How long did I keep your trades open for? Around about 15 minutes. Today's trade was about 15 minutes, but it can be 5 minutes, it can be a minute, it can be 15 minutes, it can be an hour, it can be 2 hours. See you later, Tony. Congratulations on a huge week, my bro. Congrats on a huge week, man. You doing it for real. Can you share your opinion on the market? So I believe gold. I'm not going to be looking for any more trades. I've already took my trades for today, but I believe above 2400725, gold can continue bullish, right? But we have to break above this level first. If you're looking on all time frames, right? 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour, right? 1 hour is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. You know, all time frames are just like skyrocketing. This is the weekly time frame. Look at this weekly move that we're having here. This means, you know what this means? This means that the US dollar is fucked. The US dollar is going to shit. This is what this means. When does the market close? Not until another 10 hours seal. Not for another 10 hours, bro. DXY is flying right now. It's not correlating. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't always correlate like exactly the same. You might see one of them move first, and then a bit of a lag reaction, a little bit like, you know, half an hour later or something like that. My signal is wrong on gold. I quit Forex. What's your signal, Jan? Shivam, thank you for the follow. DSDem, thank you for the follow. Ibra, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. JJ, what's up, man? What are you saying, JJ? Adeke, thank you for the follow. Should we buy or sell now? I'm gonna be only looking at buys above 2400725. How does DXY help to identify the market strength? You know, a lot of people say that, you know, for example, gold or USD pairs correlate with the DXY, and sometimes you'll be able to see if the DXY is, you know, bullish or it's currently pushing bullish. The idea is that the US dollar will do the same. So I've never really bought into that. I've never really used the DXY as a confluence for it to correlate. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Correlate. But yeah, each to their own, man. It all depends. It all depends. Man, I'm super tired today. I can barely even think about what I want to say. I had like 4 hours sleep last night. I was up early. My daughter woke up early. I was just, I'm absolutely knackered today. Jolene, thank you for the follow. What broker do I use? FP Markets. Raina J, thank you for the follow. Harry, thank you for the follow. Steph, thank you for the follow. Do you so look, Storm, thank you for the follow. PK, thank you for the follow. Do you do any other job or only trades? Just trading. Kenshin Tom, thank you for the follow. Kevin, thank you for the follow. You guys are going crazy. Look, it's the weekends, Cody. You can rest. Yeah, I need a good sleeping, man. I need a good sleeping. I need like an 8-hour sleep. Go buy full margin gold going to 2,500 in midnight. Should we screenshot this message, guys? Kevin Mac, did I say that? I think I did. Chris, nice, thank you for the follow. Can you kindly check the alpha? What's the alpha? We'll screenshot it because this guy might be the guy. You know what I mean? That's a very bold prediction right there. Saya, thank you for the follow. Mid shed. Won't be doing that because the market's closed at 10 p.m. so it can't go to 2,500 by midnight. Maybe for him the markets will open till midnight, Midge. Just depends where you are in the world. that's how it goes, edit Nimbus. I mean, if he's right, he's right. You know what I mean? You gotta give him some praise. But if he's wrong, then he's fucking wrong, and like he's getting some shit. That's how it goes, man. That's life. Can you leave a position in gold open for 1 week or more? Yeah, for sure you can. You're gonna get swaps and fees on top of that, depending on your lot size or whatever. But you can do that. Top boy, thank you for the follow. Emre, Peaky Blinder, let's go Peaky Blinder. We got a Brummy in the house. Or maybe they just like Peaky Blinders. Is gold buying or selling? What do you think? Right now, it's doing none of them. It's consolidating within this range right here. It's going sideways. Consolidation. Ah, Nimbus, you should write a song on consolidation. I think that would be a cool concept. Can you explain lot sizes? Lot sizes are the amount of units of a CDF or your position size of a CDF or whatever you're trading to enter the market. Wait till 130, drop surely. When's 130, Midge? I'm in Australia. In how many hours is that? Click now. Appreciate the follow. Do you know how to calculate max lot for 100 USD open position until it not enough money? What? How to calculate? Just use the position size calculator. Semi. 1 hour 25 minutes. So is that that'll be New York session open, yeah? Or NYSE open. Thomas, thank you for the follow. Yeah. If gold will reach 24725, will you go buy? If I get a closure above this level. I haven't entered any trade yet in Nasty Jane, no. I was in a trade earlier. As you can see down the bottom of my screen, that's all the trades I've took this week. So I took 4 trades. I had a loss earlier for $490. And on Tuesday, I had 2 winning trades for 1.3k and 1.1k-ish. So I'm not going to take any more trades this week. So I'm ending the week $1,941.60 profit, which is pretty decent. I'm here. Let's go. Thank you for being here. Tydean's in a buy. Damn, bro. You're definitely not Australian. I live in Australia, but I'm from Birmingham. Originally from Birmingham. Oh shit. Yo, the TikTok just got banned for some reason. Your live access was removed for violating community guidelines. What the? The TikTok just got banned, bro, for some reason. I didn't take the sales. No, I didn't take the sales. What's your leverage? 1 to 500 leverage. I just finished the one about chasing gold. Do you want me to link? The one you sent me before, Nimbus? Yeah, it's banned, bro. Live access suspended. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe... It says I can go live again on the 15th of April in 3 days. But it just stopped. I'm not sure what happened. Bum, 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 bum. I have no idea. I have no idea, Wolf. I've been streaming on TikTok for like the last month now. Maybe because surely you're allowed to swear on TikTok, right? It's not because I swore. It just said for not following community guidelines. Maybe somebody reported me on there for something. I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. That sucks. Which app is best for Forex trading? In terms of analysis, TradingView. In terms of entering an actual trade, then I would definitely have to say MetaTrader 5, MT5. The one I sent was right about you trading gold. This is just chasing gold. Oh, so you've made a different one. I love making them. What broker do you use? FP Markets. FP Markets. Oh, well, it's called FP Markets. I use for my main broker, and I don't mind, you know, I don't promote them, but you know, I don't mind suggesting that broker to traders on my stream because it's a regulated broker, and I do use FP Markets, but in Australia by law you can only get a 1 to 30 leverage. I'm sure you know, that's why you're asking. So if you want high leverage, you're gonna have to use an unregulated broker, which I'm not gonna say or promote on my stream because I don't want to promote that. But yeah, that's how. Bam, bam, bam. Use Pepperstone. Yeah, Pepperstone is good. Pepperstone's got really good spreads. I like Pepperstone. It depends where you are. Wolftastic, where are you from? Oh, you're in Australia. Yeah, no, you can't get 1 to 500 leverage in Australia. Anywhere, any regulated broker in Australia, you can only get a max of 1 to 30 leverage. So that's why I'm saying that I use an unregulated broker. I'm so stupid. Why didn't I not just like do this one instead of both of them? That shows all the trades. Yeah, it's by law, Wolf. ASIC regulation. ASIC regulation. Every regulated broker in Australia cannot have more than 1 to 30 leverage unless you have a pro account. A lot of brokers offer a pro account, but you have to have like 2 million in assets or something like that, or you have to have made $250,000 a year over the last couple of years, or like some crazy shit, right? Basically, you have to be rich. Basically, you have to be rich as fuck, and then you can get a pro account, which is a 1 to 500 leverage. But you have to show them, like, it has to be verified by an accountant, everything. So, yeah. I definitely don't have millions of dollars, and I definitely haven't made over 250K in the last few years. Every year, right? Yearly. That's great. Yeah, I mean, is it? Man, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Why did my TikTok get banned? I reckon somebody just reported me. Someone's being like an idiot, and they're just like spam reporting me or something. Just to be a horrible CUNT.
Come with me and check out what 5.
Oh, you can appeal it. I've appealed it. It comes up straight away. Do you want to appeal the ban? So I've appealed it. We'll see what happens. But that was a good stream, man. Like there was a lot of people in there. I was getting lots of new followers. Oh, appeal approved. We've reviewed your appeal and restored your live access. Oh, that was quick. Oh, there you go. I can go live again. What the? Yeah, I reckon somebody's just been reporting me, like just to be a dickhead. Oh god, I shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna get banned again now. Wow. You know how people get on TikTok, especially with trading, man. They get funny. They don't like it. Some people get offended that I'm sitting here live trading for some reason, or trading, or not live trading. I don't know, but they get funny. If you find a good one with tasks, they're definitely worth the risk because you get high leverage. If you know what you're doing, it's beneficial. You can flip accounts pretty fast. If you don't know what you're doing, a high leverage account is bad news, very bad news. But yeah, they're worth it. And if you find the right one, there's some good ones out there. But I'm not recommending any unregulated brokers to anybody. Gas, this guy's gambling reported. Probably like, yeah. Would you remember that guy yesterday, Nimbus? The guy that came in and started just like going off at me for no reason. And then ended up leaving, like, apologizing. You just probably get people like that who don't even interact with the chat and just are really angry and just like, you know what, I'm just going to spam report this guy. Can I use XNet in Australia? I think so. Yeah, I bet you just like really just wanting to use your moderator tools on somebody, Nimbus, right? You're just like itching to just ban somebody. Gold is selling off here. Let's have a look. Tapping into that level. You can see on the 1 hour price tapping into this level quite a fair bit now. And now we're getting the push to the downside. Daily. I mean, daily obviously still looks good. Gold has pushed like 230 pips for the day already. So Mia AU, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. Only if it's a direct comment. Oh, Nimbus, you got my back, bro. Are you protecting me? Why don't I use 1 minute? Just not a fan of the 1 minute. Yo, Midge, I'm not sure what just happened, bro, but the TikTok got banned. It just came up, your live stream has been banned, blah, 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 and then I had to appeal it, and then like 3 minutes later, the appeal got approved and they unbanned it. So I'm not sure what just happened, but yeah, I think somebody may have just been like reporting me like being an idiot, maybe. I don't know. If they hit your lower zone, will you sell? What, this one? Man, that was a bang. That TikTok stream was a banger as well. Like, just constantly holding over 100 views on that one. That was good. Oh yes, you are like a puppy sometimes. How long does it take to learn this? Months, years, travel content. Depends on the person. A minimum of at least, I would say, you know, a year or two, a minimum, I would say. And I'm talking about learning it, right? I'm not talking about, he asked how long to learn. And it's a different question if you're talking about being profitable or making money, right? That's different. That's going to be years and years, right? But in terms of just learning about Forex and understanding it, you know, 6 months to a year, 2 years. It just depends on the person. If you had to rate your knowledge about Forex trading from 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself? That's a good question. That's probably one of the best questions I've had off TikTok, actually. If I had to rate my knowledge about Forex trading from a 1 to 10, how would you rate myself? How would I rate myself? From a 1 to 10, my knowledge on Forex, I would say a 7. I would say a 7. Because I'm a big believer in always improving, and there's always room for improvement. You can always learn something new if you want to. So I feel confident. I feel like I have a lot of knowledge on Forex, and especially my own trading strategy and how I like to work and maneuver the markets. But with that being said, I always believe I can learn more and grow more. There's just endless amounts of learning and growing to be done in all aspects of life. So I would say, yes, I would say a 7 with a lot of room for improvement. But that was a good question. I like that. What's the best way to practice? Just by getting on the charts and trying to figure it out, man. I think that's the best way. I appreciate you talking to code. Run out of words sometimes and just Nimbus, chill, bro. I hope you don't feel like a pressure to like talk and come to the streams every day, because honestly, you don't have to. Do I move stop loss as soon as I'm in profit? Not all the time, but you know, sometimes it depends on the setup and the situation. It has to be a lot about managing emotions too, yeah. Digby, appreciate the follow. But yes, usually when I'm in profit, say about 15-20 pips in profit, I'll start to look at moving my stops, you know, moving them up, trading them. Not necessarily always to risk to break even, but you know, if I'm like 20 pips, 30 pips in profit, I don't want price to then come back down and go in drawdown and hit my stop loss, right? There's just no point in that. So usually, yeah, when I do see myself sitting in some profit, I will just move to break even, or at least like 5 pips under break even, just so I don't get wicked out and then price drives up again, because it does happen. But yeah, there has to be logic for me to move my stops to break even. There has to be some logic in it. It can't just be me like, oh, I'm in profit, let's move stops to break even. There has to be a level, a candle low or high. Then I'll start looking. The best way to practice is probably demo account, yeah. No pressure. I just follow a lot of streamers on the low view count. They all just look slowly. If you had like 50 views when you resurfaced on YouTube, I probably wouldn't have taught to you and might still be failing in trading. I mean, yeah. I mean, at this point, I think we're a bit more than just like, you know, you're a bit more than just a person in my chat at this point, right? You're Nimbus, man, the infamous Nimbus. Have you made a video about how exactly you make money through the market? There's loads of videos on my YouTube channel, JX, if you wanted to look through them. People can probably look to buy here up to the existing high. Where'd the music go? The music's gone out. Each time bounce off support, it goes in an uptrend. I believe we're close officially when I get the scratch. It's like Tony. Wait, how do you know Tony scratches my balls? What the hell? Is it a competitive space? You appreciate the follow X, but what do you mean? Is it a competitive space? Like competing against other traders or what? What's the RSI running at? I don't know, man. I don't use the RSI. Penny Angat, thank you for the follow. Not necessarily, X Machina. Not necessarily. I mean, I suppose, yeah, like you could say that if, for example, I'm looking at a buy and somewhere in the world, you know, somebody's looking at a sell, then it's kind of competition. You know, I'm looking for buys, they're looking for sells, we're going against each other, but it's not necessarily like competitive unless maybe you're in like a trading firm or something like that. I'm not sure, but programmers, I'm not too sure. I can't speak, man. I need to get to bed. I need to sleep. I just moved from TikTok to here. Let's go, Jay. Let's go. That's what I'm looking for, man. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened with the TikTok before, Jay. It just randomly cut out and then said that I was banned. That I was banned from using TikTok Live. I was like, what the hell? Could it maybe flip with no button wick? I mean, it could, but don't predict, just react. No, I don't use prop firms, Mitch. I've never took a prop firm challenge before. I possibly will soon, but I haven't took one yet. Can you give me a quick rundown of what's happening too? Cheers. Basically, from, you know, if we're looking at the high time frames, which is I like to do my analysis on, we can see yesterday's daily candle, very strong bullish candle, right? Actually an engulfing bullish candle as well, breaking previous highs right here, respecting previous daily lows. Now it's creating, you know, lows, higher lows, highs, higher highs. Nice bullish structure from the daily perspective. Price, like I said, price has already moved 230 pips for today already since breaking the previous high. If we go off the candle open, it's moved 280 pips already today. So that's quite a big move already so far today. So that's something we have to keep in mind. But all time frames pointing bullish. 4 hour, you can see the move on the 4 hour here. Just, you know, it looks like me in the morning, right? When I wake up. But I was just looking for buy continuations, basically. Buy continuations. What's up, Jedi? Welcome, welcome. But yeah, now obviously the 1 hour is has made this resistance and it's pulling back. There could be a potential, you know, there could be a potential retest in here. Price could bounce off this level or continue bullish at some point, but obviously we need the confirmation for that. New York session is about to open in 30 minutes, so we could get some volume coming in. Price could come down, potentially even back into this support level. This is a very nice level in the market right here, based on the 1 hour time frame where price has bounced, broken, bounced, and continued bullish. But yeah, I was looking for continuation buys above 2400725. This is a nice range to trade up until this next level. It's like an 86 pip range, but yeah, didn't get the closure above, didn't get the breakout, so just gotta wait and see what happens. Thanks, man, subscribing. I appreciate that, yes. Thank you for the follow. You should do a brother trade with the money not your own and have a strategy so you will pass. Trade with that. Yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of shady shit in prop firms, you know. Don't think everyone got the when I wake up comment. Yeah, I think that slipped over a few people's heads. That's all right. We won't mention it again though, because yeah, I don't want to get banned on TikTok again. I've never really watched any video yet that explains in detail how you make money from trading, so I'm going to try and explain what I get stuck on understanding. Okay, yeah, go for it, Jay. Go for it, man. You got the joke, Wolf? Let's go. Wolf just laughed in silence and you know, moved on with his day. Jedi, where have you come from? Have you come over from the TikTok, or did you find the YouTube channel? Liberator said, are you looking to buy? Yeah, I was looking to buy above 2400725. Should I go for a sell trade here? I mean, price is already selling off, so if you're going to jump in on a sell here, I'm not sure where you would get an entry. Maybe with a closure below this level. I don't know, but personally, I wouldn't be looking to sell here. Personally. Badge on YouTube, let's go. Okay, you got a serious question. How often do you see big spiders over there? Every now and then, actually, every now and then. It's not as bad as people make it out in Australia. Like I've seen, there's been a couple. There was a really big one in my daughter's room a few weeks ago. I had to kill that. I don't like killing them, you know. It's sad because they're just little things trying to live their lives, you know. But like it's a poisonous one. It's one that can bite you, bro. Like they actually bite and they have poisonous bites. They have venom and their bites hurt. It's like a bee sting. So it's in my daughter's room, you know. I'm not gonna just let it bite my daughter or anything. So I had to swoop in, you know, be the hero. But I just stood back like this. It's like I had a gun. I just had like this insect spray, and I just I sprayed it about 400 times. I predict that the market will go up. Can you look at USD? I don't trade USD Liberator, so I try not to look at pairs that I don't trade, just to keep a nice, clean mindset about gold. Yeah, I only trade gold and occasionally gbpjpy, PJ. Occasionally. Da, da. Yeah, you got competition now, Nimbus. Look, Streamlabs have got the spanner too. The hammer of death. Nah, man, I got my answer. I ain't visiting when my friends visit Australia. It's not that bad. I mean, apart from the snakes, like I've seen the snake, a very poisonous snake actually, outside my house, probably about a month ago now. But it didn't bother us, you know. It kind of just slithered past and just carried on with its day. I actually went into next door's garden. I didn't bother. That didn't bother me. I had kangaroos on my driveway. They're cool. I mean, they can be very vicious if you get too close to them. What's a good buy zone? I'm looking for a breakout buys above 2400725. Zaf, thank you for the follows. Siad, thank you for the follows. Team XLR, thank you for the follows. I've just gone into Forex. I haven't even started yet. How would you explain this to a beginner? How would I explain Forex to a beginner? Basically, oh man, doing this while I'm this tired is not good. But I'll try my best. Forex is based on countries, currencies, and economies, right? So, for example, you have gold USD or xauusd, or you have which is gold pegged against the US dollar, or you have Euro USD, which is the euro pegged against the dollar. You have GBP USD, which is the pound pegged against the dollar, right? You have all these different pairs. And basically, they're based on the economy of each country, the data, right? The economic data, the macro data, inflation rates, interest rates, GDP, all those different things. And that gives you these candles on a chart. And the candles go up or they go down. And we as traders try to figure out when it's going to go up and when it's going to go down. And then we enter a trade. Does that make sense? Snakes, I actually don't mind. Spiders, if I found a big one on my chest while I'm sleeping, my soul would be like... Yeah, spiders freak me out as well. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Especially the poisonous ones. Those little... Oh. Sometimes, like, you'll just be lying there in bed, just about to fall asleep, and you'll just see one just crawling across your ceiling. You're just like... Alright. Time to murder. Like a banana. Crazy thing is, I spent time in odds and never saw any sort of spider or snake. However, I was chased by a kangaroo. Damn, son. It does. That helped. Siad, let's go. Yeah, I mean, I've been in Australia for 8 years, I think. And that time last month when I saw the snake was the first time seeing a snake in 8 years. So some people I've spoke to who've lived there all their life have never saw a snake. We need to buy now. Wolftastic said buy now. Mud said, is it okay if I buy now? I mean, that's up to you, bro. That's up to you. That's your trade. That's your analysis. I will not be entering any buys right now. Don't mind the mistakes I made. 5 years in the market and lost thousands and thousands. Don't make the mistakes. Yeah. Beginners, take your time and learn. Stick in your lane and remove yourself from all groups and focus on learning the skill. Remove yourself from all groups. Interesting. Profitable now and full-time for 1.5 years. Let's go, Jedi. I caught a baby snake bare hands with cardboard. Damn. When you enter a trade to buy, how are you making money? So you make money if you're buying, if you enter a trade to buy, for example, xauusd, then you are making money that when it goes up, right? You're making money when it gains strength. When you open a trade to sell, you are making money when price goes down, when it loses strength. When gold gains strength, US dollar goes down. When US dollar gains strength, gold goes down. So you can get in both sides of the markets. Why is gold setting fresh highs consistently? Because the US dollar is fucked, and the US dollar has been fucked for a very long time. The US government just print money like there's no tomorrow. They don't have anything backing up their money. It used to be backed by gold, but it's not backed by anything anymore. So they're literally just printing money out of thin air with nothing to back it up. And eventually the economy, the strength of the dollar, the US is just going to collapse. It has to. All toxic groups that create false dreams and confusion. Yeah, I can agree with that to a certain extent. 100%. Smooth like my book. What the hell? I wouldn't mind holding one if I knew it would end my life in seconds. Jesus, Nimbus, that's a bit dark, bro. You good? You need to talk. Do you need to talk to me, Nimbus? So when I buy, essentially I'm just waiting for the market to go up and then exiting if I'm making money or when my analysis goes wrong. Yeah, exactly, Jay. And when you sell, you're waiting for the market to go down. Fair enough. Da, 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 da. You did say bye. Did you say bye? No, who said bye? Oh, you did say bye, Wolf. Yeah, that was you. Yeah, Nimbus has been killing it this week. Nimbus has been killing it this week. Nimbus has done better than me this week. Oh, looks like Tony took a trade. Man, that guy Tony, he said he wasn't gonna take a trade. I mean, it looks like he won the trade, but still. 936, he took a sell. $17 pips. That guy's unstoppable right now. He's on like a... What's he on? Like a 6-win streak now, Nimbus, or what? Nimbus got lucky this week. You always say you get lucky, bro. Did you long? No, I didn't. I didn't go long. I bought somewhere down here today, but... Or over here somewhere. Yeah, Tony got 6 meaty beefy streaky wins. All the geopolitical issues happening at the moment are blowing accounts this week, and I think especially today. Yeah, that's why I've barely traded this week, Jedi. I've barely traded this week. I've had 2 trades. You can see 4 positions, but the 2 buys that I had on Tuesday, they were the same trade. Just leaving a runner. And the 2 losing trades, they were pretty much the same trade. So I've literally taken 2 trades this week, but I didn't trade at all on, when was it, Wednesday? When do we have inflation? Wednesday? Didn't trade Wednesday, didn't trade Thursday, because of the news. So I always stay out of the market during high impact news like that. It's just not worth it in my opinion. You watching EU at all? No, I don't trade EU. Hickers, unfortunately, man. So I try to just stick to watching gold. So I don't overwhelm and information overload in my head. I just stick to watching gold, sometimes GJ. So I can just have nice clarity about what I'm looking at, what I'm doing, and follow along a lot more easier. I think it allows me to make much better decisions than watching multiple different pairs. Bro, are you online now? Yeah, of course I'm online right now, bro. You're literally typing in my live chat, Harry. Oh, I'm online now? I've literally been live all week, Harry. I was live yesterday. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Every day, bro. You're the one that's not online, my guy. Your one win beats out your students' profits combined. That's how the people can say what they want, but money dollar amount is key to paying bills. Yeah. 2K on the week. 2K on the week, not bad. Like at this point, I could start upping my lot sizes. My account has grown quite a bit. So I could potentially go up to a 10 lot even at this point. But yeah, I'm just comfortable with 5 lots right now. I'm comfortable with 5 lots, so why did you not buy? Because it's not part of my strategy. I lose money today because I sold at 2357. I was thinking it will go down. You sold at what, 2357? Oh, you sold down here. Yeah, that did not sell off, did it? Why did you sell? Why did you take a sell for? Yes, Jazz. I mean, being comfortable is good, but at the same time, it's not, you know. Why is Streamlabs spamming? Streamlabs, stop spamming, or I'm gonna get Nimbus to ban you. Yeah, it's literally spamming. Oh, it must be Nimbus. It must be. He's like, yo, I got some competition, man. Nimbus just doesn't stop talking. I'm only sticking to gold, GJ, and maybe one extra pair whenever I move to various pairs. Old bad habit. Yeah, me too, Jedi. The most consistency I've ever found in my trading journey in my career was when I just switched to trading one pair. Mainly, right? Every now and then, like, if you have a look at my trading journal, I literally haven't took a trade on GJ in over 30 trades now, I'm pretty sure. The last trade I took on GJ was the 9th of February. The 9th of Feb, so You're 10 years too early to challenge me. I could challenge you. No, I was blindfolded. Yeah, and me too, Jello. Me too. Because when you're new to trading and you don't have a lot of money, you don't have a lot of capital, the more pairs you trade is like the more profit you can make, right? You're like, oh, the more pairs I trade, the more trades I can look for, the more profit I'll make. But in reality, it's just the more pairs you trade, the more losses you have. You know, so especially in scalping, it's different if you're a swing trader. Obviously, if you only take swing trades, then you're looking at multiple pairs is fine. But when you're a scalper or a day trader, like trying to trade multiple pairs is just, it's not good. What coin is this? This is the Forex with Cody coin. Bro about to pull out his Glock. I think Streamlabs might have a little bit more what would I call it? Responsibilities? No. I think to put, when you put Streamlabs as a mod, you have to put it as like a management mod, not just a professionalism. I think Streamlabs has a bit more power, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Still has room to pump tonight. The Forex with Cody coin, yeah, it's got a lot of room to pump tonight. Yeah, Woof seems like a good addition to the YouTube chat, I'm not gonna lie. A stoner stream, what do you mean? Oh man, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Let's take a look. So 4 hour, we've got 1 hour left on the 4 hour. Nice bullish candle, closing potentially bearish. So it hasn't broke previous highs yet, hasn't broke the lows either though. What's this? What news we got? Michigan consumer sentiment. I'm not worried about that. So yeah. I mean, this 4 hour candle still has potential. Still has potential to flip. 1 hour is rejecting. Obviously, this is based on the 5-minute time frame. This break and retest of this level. Nice rejection in price, trying to move up. So yeah, I would still for the next hour, if price comes up to this level, I'd definitely still look for buys above. But at the moment, I'm not seeing too much. Yeah, I know what a stoner is, Nimbus. My gosh. I used to be one. Yo, TikTok, I'm out. Appreciate you. Bum, 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 bum. That was a little bit of an abrupt ending to the TikTok stream, but like, you know, they banned me, bro. So fuck them. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change this. Streamlabs, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. You're spamming in the chat right now, Streamlabs. I'm gonna have to change it. I can't picture you as a stoner. You look like you kick You look like you kick soccer balls. Do I? I just look like I kick soccer balls. Streamlabs, you're doing too much. I'm gonna have to tone you down a little bit. There you go, I changed it. So Streamlabs is not gonna spam in the chat as much now. I hope. I hope. But yeah. So Nimbus. Buys. Bullish. We had sells. Buys in here, buys in here. Buys in there. What was that? 30 pips or so. Then it closed bearish. Don't really get any sells in there though. Bearish. Bullish, no buys. Buys, no buys. Sells, no sells. Buys. Bullish. Beautiful buys in there. Sells, no sells, no sells. Sells, no sells. Bearish, get sells in here though. What's this? 50 or so pips. No buys. It's my one. It's mine, Wolf. Forex with Cody Algo. This is it's just based, it's called a type 3 candle pattern. It's based off a price action candle pattern that I trade. But Nimbus was showing me how he uses it, so I'm just looking at how he uses it. No sells. Yeah, this is what these boxes are though, Nimbus. These are 4-hour candles here. Red box, green box, bearish candle, bullish candle. So I'm looking based on 4-hour candle closures as well, lining up with the buy or sell signals. What, like key levels? Wait. What, so you mark up the levels based on the signals as well, or what? Is that what you're saying? I let you have no losing trades because of your indicator. Well, then you're obviously using it better than me. I'll have to take a look. I'll have to take a look. No, you're 100% obviously using it right, Nimbus. I'm not questioning that. I'm just intrigued to see how you use it. I'm intrigued to see how different people use the indicator. You can use it however you want as long as it's working. It was built to be used in confluence with your strategy, right? So I wouldn't say, you know, take this indicator and just trade the signals alone, but add it as confluence to your strategy, which is what you've done, right? Like, you have a strategy on it. You're not just taking the signals, you know, buy or sell or whatever. Like, you've like built a strategy around it. All right, guys. What's the indicator? It's my first time here. The indicator is Forex Trading algo version 2. This was the indicator that I built based on my strategy, based on a candlestick pattern that I call the type 3. Yeah, it's basically just price action candle patterns, which give signals based on price action candle patterns. How do you find it? Well, it is on my website, but you know, I've been giving it out to some people the last few days for free, so I'll drop it in the chat for you guys. I'll drop it in the chat for you guys. Why not? Why not? You guys in the chat right now, you're getting it for free. So, you know, just thank me later. But as I said, it's made to be used in confluence with your strategy, right? So don't go trading the indicator by itself. It's meant to be used in confluence with your own strategy, and it just gives an idea of, you know, momentum, a direction in the market, and a potential entry point. But you need to use it in confluence with other things, support and resistance. You know, whatever it is you trade, just use it in confluence. But click that link, scroll down, click add to favorites, and that's going to add it to your favorite section in TradingView right here. So you'll see it then in your favorite section. Win rates are high when used within the academy strat, but yeah, sometimes you get screwless like me and just my own thing. But anyway, I'm gonna head off. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go get some sleep. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna just go chill for a little bit, maybe have some tea and get some rest. But yeah, I'm done for the week. I am done for the week. Ending the week in $1,941.60 profit, which is decent. I'm happy with that. See what next week brings. We'll see what the rest of the month brings. It's been a slow month so far for me. Let's take a quick look at the stats. So far, 7 trades taken in April, 60% win rate. Since the start of the month, I'm up 1.8k. So it's been a pretty slow start of the month for me, to be honest. Well, we'll see what we'll see what the rest of the month brings. I mean, last month I made like what, 8.9k. So the month before that, around about the same, I think. So it should start picking up. It's just this week we've had, you know, the start of the new month you get NFP, and then the week after that you get inflation, unemployment, PPI. You get all these crazy news events. So it gets a bit tricky during the start of the month, the first week or two, but then picks up after that. But yeah, I'll see you next week. Yeah, shit. I was about to say I'll see you tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see you next week. Monday. Streamlabs is back. Yeah, Streamlabs is going crazy again, man. Like, chill. I literally changed its setting to post less, but I mean. But yeah, see you later, guys. Have a good weekend. Don't over risk, don't over trade, don't over leverage tonight. Take it easy. And we'll see you next week. Have a good weekend. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here and chatting with me as always. And yeah, I'm out.